Wow. Now it's more like, yo, I mean, this dude, you know, look at him. He want lane split and everything. You know, that's the way it is now. I mean, that's the way it was before. I'm sorry. What's going on? He wants to cut in. Wow.
The U.S. will be in a recession within the next 12 months. Additionally, only
of course, it's a BMW driver. HVK 3229. Wow.
It'll be more. I don't know how much, but this guy is.
Oh my God! Look at all these fucking cars, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Jesus. Wow. Look at it. They gotta wait to me. I gotta wait for them. We all gotta wait for this guy to pass. There you go. So what you decided? Look at that. Cut them off. Is it right here? You ready? Yep. Of course. There's always one. I swear there's always one. But that BMW, because it's gonna be busy.
It's not that much money.
Where you going?
And so
Where you going?
Just make sure you compare the cost of living, the cost of
You're not going
taking
anywhere.
all of that, factor all that in.
It's raining. People don't want to crash. If they pass the traffic time, a little. That's the best way I could put it. This motherfucker's like, I'm out of here. He said, I'm gonna go through the median. I don't care if cars are coming. I'm gonna go slowly. I'm gonna get out of this traffic. Yeah, go ahead. I like that. Do what you want, right? I noticed they. Oh, he just totally ran that light. Alright, let's play another game. Oh, look at that. We got one already. Let's play another game. Who else? Look, he even eats the light. Wow, it's actually clear. No cars. It's crazy. Even reacted to him.
Oh, he's cutting.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at it. Are they following each other or are they chasing each other?
Okay. No plates. Of course, speeding, no plates.
He had several Zeldin signs in his hand when a local resident confronted him. He told her Zeldin was breaking the law.
You can quote me in that saying, I think it would be a disgrace for someone running for governor who's breaking the law before he even takes office.
If you're a state assemblyman, you should be spending your time knocking on doors. You're
past all the cars.
Oh, your shout out to the whole thing, aren't you?
Good time.
That's Will for you.
Man, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna come to the gas station. So I have to skip everybody who's patiently waiting. Look at that.
That or 8.5. Roughly.
Everybody's doing it now.
And 7 and some change anyway. And then take a fourth of that
What is
away.
car skipping?
That's what you're going to be making, and even less because it's going to adjust down further later. So the problem is
not one of them stopped for
it's
gas.
giving you